Okay, we're going to look at arrays. Array is a common concept in computer programming. It's in various languages, Python, Ruby, just about anything. So how this is going to work is we have it's kind of like a variable, except there's multiple pieces of data in that variable, and we can use whichever one we want. So if you notice here, we have an echo. We're issuing an echo command, and we're telling it echo the array var right there, and the number 2, which will pull out whatever's in here. So as you can see, instead of making a bunch of variables with different different data that they hold, we can just use this long intricate thing here, and we can pull whichever piece of data out of that we want. So it's very useful. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's not too complicated. As you can see, this is just, there's only actually 2 lines in this code that are, well, I mean, you got to have the shebang line, but other than that, it's just 2 lines of code. So, pretty cool. And down here, as you can see, I wrote that out and highlighted it in yellow, because that's very important that the format in this is correct. So I hope you found this helpful. I don't really know what more to explain about it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, pretty straightforward. I don't know how long I can go on and on about it, but yeah, I highly suggest writing these down, taking notes, experiment whenever you learn something new, use it, test it out, and you'll get used to it. But it's really important to take notes and study them, because stuff's, you got to memorize it, really, and it can be kind of difficult if you don't study your notes. So moving on to the next video in the tutorial series.